Hi and welcome to this Smash Maths video, and we're going to be looking at some content from the number section, and as you can see we're going to be having a little look today at negative numbers. So what are negative numbers? Well, essentially they're just all the numbers that are below 0, which means they're to the left of 0 on our number line. So we have a little look at a number line. There it is. There's all our positive numbers. Clearly there we've got 0, and clearly there are all our negative numbers which are on the left. Clearly the numbers getting bigger going that way, and then down here in the negative numbers, the digits are getting bigger, so clearly we think 9 is a bigger digit than 1, but the numbers are actually getting smaller as we go this way down our number line, so as we go off into the negatives. Now, negative numbers are a slightly odd idea because, you can see there, if I asked you for 2 apples, you could give me 2 apples, not a problem, but the question is, how would you give me minus 2 apples? Essentially, negative numbers are a little bit kind of an idea rather than something that you can actually hold in your hand, but you know what, it doesn't really make a lot of difference because negative numbers just allow us to do a whole bunch of things that just make sense in a range of different contexts. So let's just have a quick look at one context where you might see negative numbers appearing a lot, and the most obvious one that we can think of really is temperature. And hopefully you're familiar with the idea of a thermometer and temperature scale, and so we've got 0 there. Clearly this thermometer, it's 4 degrees, but if the temperature drops, we're into minus figures for our temperatures. So here's a little question. So if we've got the temperature in Wolverhampton is 5 degrees during the day and it falls to minus 7 degrees overnight, by how much has the temperature fallen? So we've gone from 5 degrees up here on our thermometer all the way down here, down to minus 7. So we could count down, so we've got a drop of 5 degrees would take us to 0, keep going another 7 degrees, and in total we've dropped 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, another quick question, here we go. So there's a whole bunch of different cities from around the world, and we've got to put these ones in order from, it says in the question, from coldest to warmest. So here we go, here comes our answers. So if you want to kind of pause the video first and have a little think, and then see once you restart the video if you get them right, that might be a good idea. And if you've done that, here we go. Here's the answers. So our coldest one, we're looking for the biggest negative number. So that's clearly going to be Moscow. So our coldest place is Moscow. And after that, we've got Oslo at minus 8, New York at minus 2, and now we're up into the positives. And clearly our next one is going to be London, and then finally followed by Paris.